Want to remove stickers you've added to your iPhone, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete stickers on iPhone. Now let's get started. To remove stickers from your iPhone keyboard, open your Messages app and go into any conversation. Tap the plus sign on the left. Select Stickers. Hold down the sticker you want to get rid of, then tap Remove. Repeat to delete any other stickers you'd like to get rid of. If you're accidentally sending stickers from your emoji keyboard and want to stop this from happening, open your Settings app and select General. Scroll down and select Keyboard. Then scroll to the bottom and turn off the switch labeled Stickers. This will remove the sticker panel from the emoji keyboard so you don't send stickers by accident when trying to use regular emojis. That's all it takes to remove stickers on iPhone. Want to learn how to create your own custom emojis? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.